Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael. I want to do a quick video on how to make $5 to $4 daily from G Market. So kindly subscribe to my channel and then notification bell to get notification whenever I drop a new video. Now I have this particular account I'm doing this video on. I have about 76. As it stands today, I have $76 currently I'm using to trade currently now. So first of all, I will show you guys how to grab it. This is an e-commerce platform that enables you to earn on a daily basis. What they do actually is this: on this platform here is eBay, Gmarket. What they do, they help you to, let me just say, in front of a hype on this business hub. They hype, you're gonna hype this market here for them. You help them hype the market on these platforms, so that whenever the people that are purchasing this product on eBay and all of that, you'll be able to see that there's a number of people currently that are now buying this product. Now for $100 is what you need to start with. For $100 here, they're going to give you, the member will be getting extra $2.77 if he tops up account or more than the first time deposit. If you make deposit of first time of $100, you'll be getting $2.70. So today I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to show you how to grab your orders for the day, about 50 orders. I'm going to do it in a minute, and then how you can earn money from finance here. If you go to finance, this is how to earn money from finance on a daily basis. It's an amazing. I've made withdrawals so far from this platform. I've made withdrawal. My last withdrawal I did was that should be some weeks. Okay, let's just say weeks. And this is what I have withdrawn. You can see it was confirmed. I did a withdrawal on the 1st of this month, December, $95, and it was sent to my wallet. The first one I did withdraw was that should be last month. So I can't get that record now, but we can get a record of weeks and all of that. So today you go to grab, automatic grab. It will come in this format. You're going to do 50 of it. For now, I'm going to enter the market with $77. That's what I have on this account. So you do that, you grab, you go again, you grab, you do that for the 50 orders. It's going to be 50. So I'll be doing that for the 50 orders. Each one you submit, you go again, you touch grab again, then you submit, you grab again. So this is how you're going to do it for the 50 of it. So I'm going to pause this video. When I'm through, I'll just get you guys from where I continue from. So currently now I have done about 40 orders. You can see here, that is the order completed. What I've earned now is $2.50. Yesterday what I've earned from my team was $3 here, and then yesterday commission was $2. So that is a total of $5 on a daily basis. So we'll complete it together now. I don't want to waste your time by doing the 50 cards. So we have just 9 to go. So when I'm done with that tax, I'm going to put it on finance. It's going to generate for me 0.3 something% there about on a daily basis. So by this time tomorrow, this is about 2 p.m. in Nigerian time. It will be that 2 p.m. tomorrow that will complete 24 hours for me to be able to do another tax again. So that is how it works. This is 44. This is 44. This is 44. And then 45. You just touch. That's just within 10 minutes. I think you have done with the whole tax for the day. and you can go about your normal business. So that's an amazing platform. At least for now, this is what I can say. It's what I have tested. This is my own opinion. So if you think it's something you can risk for your $100 for against this coming year, I think it's worth it. It's worth it because I've made my profit. I've made profit. I made capital so much. I started with $100. I've withdrawn 200, so I've made my capital plus profit. What I have already on ground is profit. So for the tax for the day, I'm done with the tax for the day. So as you can see here, 50, I have 80. I came in with, at the initial time I started, I came in with $77. So this is what I've made already. So we'll move to the other part of it, which is the most. But you go to home, you click on finance. So for the purpose of this video, you go to home, you click finance here. That is after you have grabbed your tax for the day. You click on finance. Now what do you do? I'm going to transfer in, choose a day. I recommend you choosing this one. So when you click on this, you first click transfer it to enter this balance box. Then you click on this, is a transfer into. Sorry, okay, transfer is sufficient balance. Let me see whether I've done anything. Okay, it's still showing there. So you go back again. I don't know why it's showing that. You click here, you click one day, say transfer into. Why is it saying sufficient balance? So normally you just click here, click one day, and then you transfer everything in, and then you are done for that day. So I don't know why it's saying so, but I think maybe it's a network problem, but I'm going to try it again. And then thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, then tell me your opinion, what you think about this platform. See you in the next video. Bye.